Hello friends, today I'm going to show you how to do the running total for the previous year. Here you can see that there are several financial year months are there, and all the previous year values are showing properly here. The only challenge here it is that here the months are current year running total is showing values up to 1st October 2024 because the data is available up to 1st October 2024. But in spite of that, we need to get the value of 1st October 2023 here in the previous year running total. Okay, so let's do that. So to showcase the previous year current running total, I have taken this value data set. And first we need to do some addition add some additional columns that should be through Power Query. So let us go to the Power Query. Here first I need to add the month name. Let me give name as month name. It will be date dot month name. This N should be capital. Then it will be month. Okay. Now I will reference this column here, make it month, and group it by also. Before doing this thing, I also need a month number. Custom column. Here I need to add month number 2. Date dot month bracket month here. So here group it by, let's group it by month. Add once, add grouping month number. Okay, count rows. Sorry, here little bit correction will be required. It will be month name. Okay. Now I can remove this count column. We really don't need this thing. Remove this one. Rather, instead of this count column, I need a lookup column. Let's give the name as lookup and just put it one here. Similarly, I will make another reference here. It will be FY here, and I will group it by only FY. Here also I add another lookup column here. Similarly, one. So now I will add all the month number and month names to this FY, all the FYs. That's why this lookup column is required. So let's do the merge. So, and then it will be explained easy. So merge month here. Now expanding this table, I need the month name as well as the month number here. See this. So I can remove this lookup column, remove. Now, okay, let me do something here. Uh, no, I cannot revert it back. Okay, so let me change it here. Let me do it month name and insert. Let me do month number. Insert. Okay, changing the data type. It will be whole number. Okay, and it should be text. Okay. Now, according to the financial year, the first half is 2019, and let's say the other half is 2020. So let me add another column. First half, let's say text dot start FY, comma 4. It's similar to the left function of in the Excel or in the DAX. Divided by 1. I want to convert it into, let's say, number. No, it is not working in that way. So first remove this divided by 1. Let it be in text mode, and then change the type in number. The similar way, I will get the second half as well. Second half will do text dot end FY, comma 4. Okay, hold on. Now I will create the date based on this year and the month number. Remember this thing, that the financial year start from April and is going to be end at March. So the number for the March is 3. So whatever greater than 4, whatever greater than 3, that should be in the but restrict up to 12. That should be in this first half. After that, from 1 to 3, that should be in the second. So let's say if month number less than 3, then I will take the second half of the year. Okay, let's try this. So date, if what is this month number? Month number, bracket is not required here. If month number less than 3, then hash date, second half, first will be the year, then month number, then 01, else hash date, first half, then month number, then 01. Let's see whether it is working or not. Let us ascend this thing to check whether it is going correctly or not. 3 should be 2020. No, it is not working properly. It so here it will be less than equal to 3. Let's say now sort ascending So this one, and converting to date, I guess it is working properly. 1/4/2019, and here it will be okay. Here 2020, see 1/3/2025. So formula is working properly. Now we are going to load these three tables here, and whatever from now on, whatever operations will be required, we are going to do in the FY table. Okay, let's select this FY table here. Okay, now let let us bring the current value from the original table. So current year equal to calculate sum of value from the table, filter table month equal to FY date. Let's see. Yeah, it is getting the value. Our value was restricted up to October in the original table, and let us get the previous financial year now. So what will be the previous financial year value? Okay, now for that thing, I guess we need to do one thing here. Previous year month equal to e date. Start date will be date, that will be the FY date here, comma minus 12, right? Okay, formatting in, let me format all this thing. This dt triple m yy dt triple m y. Okay, now let us bring the previous year value. So prev year value equal to, here I can use the lookup value. Lookup value, what will the result column here? FY current year value, I guess. Yes, current year, comma, search column name will be the FY date, comma, previous year month. Let's see whether it works properly or not. Yes, it is working properly. Right. Okay. Now here now to calculate the running total, we need to use measures. Before proceeding to the running total, we need to understand that we need to show two running totals, one for the month, another for the fiscal year. So whenever we are going to switch over to the fiscal year, it will show the running total of the fiscal year. Whenever we will switch over to the month, it will show the running total of the month. So we need to use a switching action here. Let's do that. First, let us calculate the current year running total. equal to where month running total equal to calculate sum of fiscal year current year, comma, it should be date, FY date less than equal to max FY date. Okay. Also where it will be FY running total equal to calculate sum current year, comma, FY less than equal to max FY. Okay. Return switch true, comma, is in function, is in scope. Is in scope. Here it will be first it will be month, or let's say date here, FY date. Then when it will be month running total. When I am considering the month, it will show the month running total. And again, the same function needs to be used. If is in scope, it will be FY. So FY, comma, FY running total. Okay. Let's see. Matrix visual here. Now it will be FY here. Now I will take the date also here. Date here. Changing the hierarchy to date. Values will be here current year running total. Now let's see. It is showing the running total. Now, and one issue is that we can see that here, see this value is not restricted here. So we need to restrict this value up to October. To do that, we need to do a simple tax here. First, I need to get the maximum, the highest month for which the value is not black. So last value date equal to calculate max date. Here it will be FY date for which current year, FY current year greater than 0. Okay. Now let's see whether it is giving me the 1st October 2024 or not. Let me take a card visual here. Let's check the value. Last value date. Yes, it is giving me 1st October 2024. Now, I will do one thing here. Here, I will take another DAX. Let's say month modified equal to if max of date, FY date less than equal to last value date, then month running total, else blank. Here I will take, just change this to month modified. Okay, let's see. See, it is restricted up to 1st October 2024. Now we need to calculate the previous year value. Let's see. So to do the previous year value, we'll take another measure here. Let us name it as previous year running total equal to calculate sum of previous year value. So here also do it the same way, where month running total equal to here it will be, what is that? Yeah, date, FY date less than equal to max of date. Why didn't I take the previous year date? The thing is that we need to calculate the previous year total, running total with respect to the current date. That's why we didn't take the previous year date column. Okay. Now, similarly, FY running total equal to calculate some previous year value, comma, it will be FY less than equal to max of FY. Return switch true is in scope date, comma, month running total, comma, is in scope FY running total. See, let us bring the previous, selecting this matrix and taking the previous year value. See, let us check here. See this 47, 79, 121, 147 here, 47, 79, 121, 147 here, and also 370 here. It is coming 370 here. Okay. Here for the 2022-23, it is getting it is showing 1st April 22, previous value is 12. So it means 1st April 21, the current value should be 12. See this 1st April 21, current value is 12. So that's it for this video. See you in the other video.